Hey guys, my name's Danielle, and I just wanted to pop in here really quick to show you how Fixate works and where to find all the recipes on Beachbody On Demand and everything like that. So first we're going to go to Beachbody On Demand, which my computer's being a little slow today, so bear with me. I'm going to try to make this as quick as possible. So just a precursor, whether you're doing the 21-day fix or the 21-day fix extreme, it's the same exact meal plan. So you're going to scroll to the 21-day fix. And if you go to program materials, and of course you're going to do start here. So this kind of walks you through how to figure out what bracket you're in. Are you going to be in plan A, plan B, plan C, or plan D? So what you're going to do is enter in your weight in pounds, times it by 11, which is your caloric baseline, and then you're going to add 400 to your caloric baseline, and that's going to be your maintenance calories. So if you don't want to lose weight and you just want to maintain your current weight and just get toned up, this is the calories you're going to use to figure out what plan you're in. And then if you want to lose weight, you plug in this number, the maintenance calories, into here, and you subtract 750. That's your calorie target if you want to lose weight. So that's how you figure out, and depending on what number this is, you just find where it falls within the calorie brackets here, and then that determines your plan. So let's say you're plan A. You're allotted 3 veggies a day, 2 fruits, 4 proteins, 2 carbs, 1 healthy fat, 1 seasoned dressings, and 2 oils and nut butters. So that's how many you can have throughout the entire day. And you get really creative with this. You can make a whole meal plan, and it can be like mixing and matching containers. As long as at the end of the day, those are your totals, you're totally fine. Feel free to eat it whenever you want. Make up cool recipes that include a bunch of different containers. So really have fun with this. So once you do that, you're going to go back to, so then here is the food list. So within each container, it gives you a bunch of foods that are 21-day fix approved for each container. So here's everything that are allowed in the green containers: purple, red, yellow, blue, orange, and then the seeds. I mean, not the seeds, the teaspoons. So all these things are allowed in each container. So like I said, I really have fun with this. Mix and match your containers, and like you don't have to do the same thing every single day. Like, for example, maybe one day I want broccoli and the next day I want asparagus. Like I could totally fill my green container with that. So really get creative with this. Another thing you can do is, if you're a vegan, there's a vegan eating plan, which I think is really awesome because I'm a vegetarian, so sometimes I follow the vegan meal plan. But again, it kind of goes through everything if you're a vegan, and goes through like what you're allowed in each container. So really the only thing that differs from this and the regular one is the red container, because we don't eat meat as vegans or vegetarians. So you can replace the, chicken, beef, anything like that with protein powder, veggie burgers, beans, lentils, edamame, stuff like that. So again, go through these. I think really the main ones you need are the start here, where you calculate your plan. And then they also come with really awesome tally sheets. So this is, I guess you can edit right on here, which is nice. But it just really shows you, I find this really helpful too, is you can print out these tally sheets and like check off each container as you use it throughout the day. So I think that's a really good way to keep track. Again, there's the food list. It's the regular food list. And if you're vegan, this is the vegan food list. And this eating plan right here kind of explains more in depth what the eating plan entails and everything like that. So I would definitely recommend going through these resources, reading them, getting a better feel for everything. And then here's the fun part. So once you figured out what eating plan you're in and how many containers you're allowed each day, you can go back to workout programs, and you're going to go to, where is it? Fixate. So this is a cooking show specifically designed for the 21-day fix program and the containers. So you can scroll through here. They make a tutorial on how to make each recipe. So it's like a cooking show, like I said, and you can literally watch them make these recipes. Or if you're like me and I am more of a pen and paper kind of person, you go to program materials. And then you'll find every single recipe that there was a video for here. So you can get this PDF, and it shows you every single recipe. And I find it really, really helpful because at the top of each recipe, so let's get to a recipe, it tells you what each recipe and like a serving of it consists of. So this one is a purple and a blue, so a fruit and a healthy fat. So I find that super, super helpful. Autumn's broccoli crust breakfast pizza. There's some really, really delicious recipes in here that I make all the time. So that's definitely a really good thing. And then say you want to make something and you don't really know like what groceries to buy. This is the grocery list for every single recipe listed in the recipes section. So that's also really helpful. So for example, the broccoli crust, whatever that was, let's scroll to that. Here, Autumn's broccoli crust breakfast pizza. It literally tells you what to get from the grocery store to make that recipe. So again, have fun with this. There's so many amazing things that you can do with this program. And if you have any questions at all, don't hesitate to reach out to me. I'm here to help you. But I hope that clarifies some things, and I hope you guys have fun with this.